Here's a little pre-Florida activity for our family entertainment, right? No boats per se, just a little Michigan activity. Where are the blocks? Go get them. Get them. Bring them out. Let's play.
It's really heavy.
Pull. Slide. Oh, watch.
It's really
Like this.
heavy.
It is pretty heavy. Oh, what, do we have a blanket?
It's going to get that breakfast though. It's really.
You want this?
Yeah, it's
Okay. Look, there's a road. Make it.
A car's on the road.
Cars on the road.
It's on the top. It's okay.
Just take your jacket off. We're gonna stay a while. I thought we were gonna build a fort. We're gonna build a.
It's Cruz.
Mm-hmm. Oh. It will go like this.
It's really scary.
It will build up like this. Oh, turn that one up. Look, turn this one up. Turn it down. Okay, put it together like this. Yeah.
It's going. This is what the far be.
I got a round one.
What the far?
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, no, we're building, not breaking.
It's very scary. One more.
Oh no, Cruz. Oh no, Cruz.
I scare you.
Mm-hmm.
It's one. It's way too tall. It's getting stars and red. Okay, what?
Look how tall.
It's taking the horses. When they made one, what's a bus? Take it. A bus gonna take it. Mommy, like when they get the blue tractor.
We got the orange one. Okay.
Granny, it's a ghost going near. It's just a bus of me and Benny. That's a boy.
Oh, well, let's stay.
It's get the orange.
What?
And that's Bobby's tractor. And that says Bobby's.
Bubby's tractor, yeah. It stays at Bubby's house.
That's Winnie's.
Mm-hmm.
That's Bobby. That's That's Daddy's chair. That's Daddy's.
That's Grandy's chair.
Yeah.
But you can sit with me.
That's a blanket.
Mm-hmm.
It's big. That's Cruz's sweater. That's orange sweater.
Mm-hmm.
Vroom.
Vroom, vroom. Oop, over here. Look at that. We'll build the barn. We'll build a pole barn.
A Bobby's farm. This is the Bobby's farm.
This is the Bubby's farm. This is the Bubby's farm. The Bubby's farm. The Bubby's farm. This is the Bubby's farm. Oh! Oh! Oh no. Oh no. Build a barn. Uh-oh. Oh.
It's very silly.
Oh no.
It's very silly.
Really silly.
Oh, Layman.
Here, put it on this. This is a good foundation. Yes. There you go.
Nice. She's got a call in the doctor's office.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
It's really golden.
Wow. Bubby put the furnace up higher for
It's
you.
a Bobby's farm.
It is a Bubby's farm.